Hey traders, quick update on Hyperliquid. It's down about 10% this week, sitting near $35. And trading volume has dropped nearly 50% in the last 24 hours. So what's next? Bullish comeback or a trap? Right now, the falling volume is a warning sign. It means interest is cooling off, and without strong buyers, any bounce could be weak. For a real bullish move, we'd need volume to come back in and price to hold key support levels. Otherwise, this could just be a temporary bounce before another drop. Also, keep an eye on Bitcoin because overall market direction still matters. Stay patient, don't rush entries, let the market show its hand. What do you think? Reversal or more downside? Hyperliquid fresh trading signals are in, and solid targets just dropped. We've got clear entry and exit zones lined up to help you catch the move. Want the full setup? Check out our Patreon. Link is in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.